What are you making?
Smoothie.
What kind of smoothie are you making?
Smoothie.
What fruits are you using, buddy?
Apples, oranges, kiwis.
Are we peeling the apples first? What do you want to do?
Cut the peels off. Then you take that one out. We can cut the peels off.
Did you get the milk out to put in? You want to peel oranges? Why don't you do more apples, bud?
When you finish with the one, the apples.
Peel the banana?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead, peel them.
We cut it in half.
You could in half if you want. What else do you think we need? Can you grab that apple juice? We need a little fruit juice in there.
That way it will take.
Alright, John, I can't peel all these apples. It's going to take too long. Let's work on the kiwis.
I'll pick that up.
Should be good. Put that back in the fridge.
You don't need any more.
A little milk in there.
I like to make a little smoothie. Get no healthy.
Yeah.
But no sugar.
No sugar.
No.
You can do honey.
I want to do honey.
Yeah, because honey is full of sugar. Do you want all 3 kiwis in, or do you just want 2?
All 8.
Alright. Where was it when you got it out, bud? Alright, just leave it out. We'll figure it out. Alright, are you pull the refrigerator for now? Pull the milk out.
I'm put it right here.
Are we putting the oranges in too, bud? Are we doing oranges too? Nothing like that. I think we should do honey. Honey is... I don't think you need that much sugar. It's proof has sugar in it. It might be too sweet.
Yeah, and it won't taste it.
Yeah.
Let's cut only a little. You cut it some more.
Alright, can you hold on a minute?
Sure. And you're good. It's a lot of food.
Let me wash my hands. These are all sticky.
And then throw all the scraps away. All the scraps.
All this away.
You the core out that. We need to.
Hold on.
We need to take the lid on.
Hold on. John, hold on. We should put a little ice on top, right?
Yeah, that way it will taste good.
Can you pull the blender out from the...
But
From the blender? Throw all the scraps away, bud. Come on, you gotta clean up as you do it.
Okay.
Are you ready to hit the button?
Yeah.
You hit that before? Yeah. Hold on, let me grab some. Are you ready? Here. Alright.